So here we are on our way back from Sun and Fun 2021. Oh, here, maybe it'll help a little bit. It's cloudy here in Wesley Chapel, I think we are now. But anyways, I just want to show you the van before we get home, because when I do get home, I'm going to be yelled at. I'm going to get yelled at, seriously. But yeah, here's this is a Honda van, and if you look inside the van, this is the floor on the passenger side. There's a few things there. Luckily, I've got nothing on the seat because Mercy was just sitting there during the last half of the show. The console is also not quite as tidy as it should be. And now I'm going to give Mercy the phone. There's a floor back there, and then she's going to take you around and show you guys that the back seat is needs work. And then there's the TV. The TV's back there. Are you threatening me? Are you threatening me? So, Rosie, you wanna? Okay. Still taping?
Yep.
Okay, good. So, yeah, we had. It was an epic, life-changing week. Hey, give me the phone. Thank you. Please. There you go. It was an epic week, and it was the most incredible week of my life. I just, yeah. So, yeah, Sun and Fun, 7 days of sun, and a lot of sun, a lot of fun. And that's it, man. So, going home with Mercy Marie, and to God be all the glory.